For exercise number 1, we want to verify the following. We want to show that the cosine squared of 30 degrees plus the sine squared of 30 degrees is equal to 1. So what I've done is I've taken a very specific example of the Pythagorean identity, and I'm going to show that this is true. We could have picked any angle. It doesn't have to be 30 degrees, but just as an example, we'll use 30 degrees. So let's go through that. So the cosine of 30 degrees is equal to the square root of 3 over 2. That's the cosine of 30 degrees. We also know that the sine of a 30-degree angle is 1/2. These are the exact values. Let's draw this down here. There we go. So cosine squared of 30 degrees is cosine of 30 degrees times the cosine of 30 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and take that square root of 3 over 2 and multiply it by itself. So square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. So let's draw this in a different color. This piece right here is equal to 3/4. Now let's do the sine part. Well, sine squared of 30 degrees is equal to the sine of 30 degrees times the sine of 30 degrees. And we know the sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. So it's 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So I get 1/4. So this is 1/4. So if I grab these two, if I take 3/4 and add it to 1/4, that's like this. This is the 3/4. This is the 1/4. I end up with 4/4, which is 1. And that's what I wanted to show is equal to.